While Graham Hall may be one of our oldest traditional male halls still in use, it provides some unique opportunities for its residents. Graham's basement provides locker space where residents may bring in their own locks to store classroom projects and supplies. While not solely designated as an engineering hall, it is a great option for those wishing to be closer to engineering buildings and classrooms. The rooms were originally designed to house 2 residents, which includes 2 built-in desks, shelves, and closets, along with a sink and large mirror in each room. Depending on residency needs, we may opt to offer these spaces as 2-person or single rooms. There is a laundry room on the first floor that accepts quarters for payment. Each floor has 2 community bathrooms, one on each end of the hall, that are cleaned daily by our housekeeping staff. Graham Hall offers a large first-floor lobby where residents are often gathered to play ping pong or video games together. Graham is a great option for those who enjoy the traditional community of residential life, a place where the best memories can be made and the best of friends can meet. We can't wait to see you here in the fall. Go Dogs!